Hi everybody! I hope you enjoyed making up your strange things that happen in your location. It's time to look at character again now. So, once I've asked my character lots and lots of questions and I've got an idea of who that character is, another really good exercise to build my character is called What's in the Suitcase. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to imagine your main character. They're arriving in the location that you've created with all these strange happenings, and that character has got a suitcase with them. What do they have in that suitcase and why is it important to them? So when I was writing Wild, my main character had a suitcase with the complete works of Shakespeare in it, a broken raven brooch, a photo of her mum at a waterfall, a bird skull, 2 sticks of rock with the name of where she lives running through them. So they all link to her character in different ways. A collection of the complete works of Shakespeare was left to her by her mum, because her mum used to do Shakespearean plays in the garden. A broken raven brooch belonged to her mum again, and also was a bird. Now there's a big link with birds and the importance of birds, and they follow Wild wherever she goes. It's one of those strange things. So I wanted to hint at that. A photo of her mum, because her mum is sadly no longer with her, and she wants to remember what her mum looks like, and also it links to the place that the photograph is taken. A bird skull, again that link to birds, and 2 sticks of rock with the name of where she lives because she's missing home. So all of those things are really, really important to her. So have a think, what might your character be carrying in their suitcase instead of clothes when they arrive? Or it might be a piece of clothing, but only if it has a reason for being there. And choose 5 or 6 things. We're not going to do any writing this time. We're going to do drawing. So draw a suitcase, draw an outline just like a square. I'm a terrible drawer, so I didn't do one as an example. But draw an outline of a suitcase and then fill that suitcase with things that you think your character would have. Hope you enjoy that. Don't worry if your drawing's not Picasso, it doesn't matter. Just enjoy it. It'll just help you with ideas for your story further down the line. Okay, happy drawing everybody. See you for the next bit. Bye.